Hello friends. Hi, this is Manish over here. I am from Forexblues.com. Save money, earn money. So let's take a quick look on the USD INR. And right now we have seen a fall coming in the USD. So let's go straight forward to the chart. And yesterday we have seen a high of 75 probably here, and then there is a great fall in the USD coming, and we see it going like this. Okay, currently at 74 around. Okay, so probably this is traveling in a channel right from since May, and we knew beforehand that it will come down after touching 75. Probably we were thinking to go it to 75.20. Okay, so will it come more down like this or not? Let's see in another chart that we have prepared. So we straight go to the chart of the November. So here you can see there are two levels given. One is 75.20 and the downside is 73.24. Okay. So right. So although it did not touch 75.20 level and it came back from 74.94 yesterday, and right now it is here. Okay, so we see it as if it crosses 73.94 mark, then definitely it is going to come down here at 73.24. So the whole trajectory in the November month would be 75.20 to 73.24. Okay, and probably to all our clients, platinum clients, and the exporters, importers, we have already informed to have their bookings done according to their requirement at 74.80 plus level. Okay, I hope that a lot of people have covered their bookings and the forward booking has been done and the EFC account has been taken care of. So what is going to happen once it reaches to 73.24, and this should come by, I hope so, by 20th November this month. Okay, so once it is there, then again it will, we will see a pullback over here. Okay, in December, and anybody having the payment before 15th of December, let me change this. So anybody having any payment before 15th of December should have booked, or even they will get one more chance at 74.50 around. Okay, and then after, in the second half of the December only, it will go more higher. Okay, fine. So I hope my this reading comes true and things goes like that. I am afraid in November, if exporters haven't booked, then there is less chances. So let's see if we get again 74.50 level. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.